10 proven ways to make extra money from home. Are you tired of being broke? Do you want to make some extra money but don't have the time or resources to get a traditional job? If so, then this video is for you. I'm going to share 10 proven ways to make extra money from home, so you can start earning more money today. In today's digital age, making money from the comfort of your home gained immense popularity. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debts, or save for a dream vacation, numerous opportunities are available for generating extra income without leaving your house. This video presents 10 proven ways to make extra money from home, from online freelancing to starting an e-commerce business. Many individuals have tried and tested these methods, which can serve as viable avenues for boosting your financial well-being. Freelancing has emerged as a versatile and popular way to make extra money from home. With the rise of digital platforms, you can offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media manager, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide opportunities to showcase your expertise and secure freelance gigs. Online tutoring. Online tutoring can be a lucrative option if you have a passion for teaching and expertise in a particular subject. Numerous platforms connect students seeking help with tutors offering their knowledge. Subjects range from academic topics like mathematics and science to specialized skills such as language learning and music instruction. Content creation. The demand for quality online content is insatiable, creating opportunities for aspiring content creators. Whether you're interested in writing blogs, creating YouTube videos, or hosting a podcast, platforms like YouTube, WordPress, and Anchor allow you to monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Remote work. Remote work has become a mainstream employment model, enabling individuals to work from home while maintaining a steady income. Many companies offer remote positions in various fields, including customer service, data entry, project management, and software development. Job boards like Remote.co and We Work Remotely curate remote job listings across industries. E-commerce and dropshipping. Starting an e-commerce store or engaging in dropshipping can be an exciting venture to make extra money. You can sell physical or digital products through Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. Dropshipping eliminates the need for inventory, as products are shipped directly from suppliers to customers. Online surveys and market research. Companies are often willing to pay for consumer opinions and market insights. Participating in online surveys and market research studies can be a straightforward way to earn some extra cash. Platforms like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Vindale Research offer compensation for sharing your thoughts and feedback. Stock photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can monetize your skills by selling your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Businesses, marketers, and designers frequently purchase high-quality images for their projects, making this a viable way to earn passive income. Virtual assistants. Entrepreneurs and businesses often require administrative support but may not want to hire full-time employees. As a virtual assistant, you can provide email management, scheduling, social media management, and research services. Platforms like Time Etc. and Belay connect virtual assistants with clients needing remote administrative help. Online coaching and consulting. You can offer online coaching or consulting services if you possess expertise in a specific field. Whether it's business, fitness, personal development, or any other niche, individuals are willing to pay for personalized guidance and advice. Platforms like Coach.me and Clarity.fm facilitates connections between coaches and clients. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers often leverage affiliate marketing to earn extra income. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale provide a wide range of products to promote. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, making extra money from home has become more achievable. Whether you're looking for short-term freelance opportunities or long-term income streams, these 10 proven methods offer diverse options to explore. The key to success lies in leveraging your skills, interests, and resources to create a sustainable source of extra income from the comfort of your own home. Remember that consistency, dedication, and a willingness to adapt to changing trends are essential to maximizing your earning potential through these avenues. So, embark on your journey to financial empowerment by exploring these strategies and finding the ones that align with your goals and aspirations. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.